What's up, guys? It's me, and today I'm going to be getting you how to get a grappler without having to get it with research points in the tech tree. So what you're gonna do is wanna grab a pickaxe, gonna grab a bag, and then you're gonna wanna go down the sewers. This is if you don't know how to get a grappler without getting the research points. Finally, they fixed the map. And you're mining these because you're gonna need over 2,000 coins for this to be able to work. So that's why mining these, even though I'm loaded with money. So, just wait for the relic green light monster. I'm gonna kill it. Next red light, then green light. I'm killing this. Hold on. Never mind. I was just about to jump into a technical difficulties. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to mine these triple crystals anyway. Just ignore that. Ignore that. And that. Once you get over here, we need to get past these two. So he's going my way. He's chasing me. You're gonna want to go down here. And then you're gonna want to do this obstacle course. Don't do that either. Because that was just dumb. Anyways. Let's go back quick. So we'll go back quick. How? I'm not talking to you. I'm not even talking to you though. Alright. Alright, come on. So, what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to go down to that parkour. I don't even know how. So you're gonna want to go down to that parkour again. Alright. Research point. We're gonna get back over there to the parkour. It's that big back moves. He's deadly. We'll kill you in an instant. And that big back needs. We'll go back there. There's that. Oh, thank God I made that. Swear if I don't make this, it's game over. I'm making that. Now, why? You're gonna wanna go over here into this dark corner. You're gonna wanna pinch climb up where I'm going. On this pillar, then pinch, go up. And then once you get, you're gonna wanna jump over to this platform. And there it is. There's the hook shot. I have a daily cooldown. Have a cooldown. And then to get back, you just wanna go in there. I'm gonna wait though. So I don't even know how many grapplers I have right now. But I love these things. They're honestly really easy to get to. Backpacks full. And then after that, after you get a grappler, you're gonna wanna go for the I am heavy. Run it. Alright. And there you go. That's how to get a grappler. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.